Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Students, we are going through this chapter probability. Okay, let us go to the problem. Problem is capital A can hit a target once in 5 shots. Capital B, candidate B can hit 2 targets in 3 targets. Capital C can hit 1 target in 4 targets. What is the probability that 2 shots hit the target? 2, only 2 shots. There are 3 candidates, but 2 shots hit the target. You have to find out the probability for it. Okay, now let us suppose that let P of capital A be the probability that capital A hit the target. Therefore, P of A is equal to capital A can hit a target once in 5, that is 1 by 5. Okay, let P of P be the probability that capital P hit the target. Therefore, P of B is equal to B can hit 2 targets in 3, 2 by 3. Let P of C be the probability that capital C hit the target. Therefore, probability of C is C can hit 1 target in 4, that is 1 by 4. Okay, now we have to find out the probability that 2 shots hit the target. Okay, the probability that 2 shots hit the target. 2 shots hit the target means 1 shot does not hit the target. Among there are totally 3 shots from A, B, C. Okay, but 2 shots, only 2 shots must hit the target. It's mean 1 shot does not hit the target. Okay, therefore the required probability will be given by P of 2 shots mean A intersection B. Okay, but intersection C complement. C does not hit the target. Okay, only 2 shots. Okay, this is one case. This is one case. Okay, union. Another case is A and C. A intersection, but B does not hit the target. C. Okay, union A does not hit the target, B and C hit the target. Okay, there is no need bracket. Okay, now here P of this event union this event. Okay, already in the problem given that capital A, capital P, capital C are candidates. Okay, therefore they are mutually exclusive events, disjoint. You know, candidates are always disjoint. Therefore, since A, B and C are disjoint, A complement, B complement, C complement are also disjoint events. Therefore, A intersection B intersection C complement are A, B, C complement are disjoint. Okay, A intersection B complement intersection C is disjoint. The A this event, these three events are independent events. Okay, now suppose A, B, C are independent events, then we have P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Okay, this is the formula whenever A, B, C are usually independent events. Okay, here also this event, this event, this event, these three are independent events. Therefore, we have P of A intersection B intersection C complement, okay, plus P of A intersection B complement intersection C plus P of A complement intersection B intersection C. Okay, again, since A, B and C complement are mutually exclusive event, by the formula P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to P of A dot P of B dot P of C, we can write down this expression as P of A into P of B into P of C complement plus P of A into P of B complement into P of C plus P of A complement into P of B into P of C. Now P of A, probability of A here P of A means 1 by 5 into P of B, probability of B is 2 by 3 into P of C complement. P of C complement means 1 minus P of C, but 1 minus P of C, probability of C is 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, plus P of A, probability of A 1 by 5, P of B complement, P of B is 2 by 3, P of B complement means 1 minus 2 by 3 into P of C. P of C means 1 by 4. Okay, plus P of A complement, P of A is 1 by 5, P of A complement 1 minus 1 by 5 into P of B means 2 by 3, P of C is 1 by 4. Okay, that is 1 by 5 into 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 3 minus 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, on calculating this value we will get 15 by 60 or 1 by 4. Therefore, to hit the target, 2 shots to hit the target, the probability is 1 by 4. Okay.